Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter 5, and the title is Thermochemistry. Thermo comes from the word heat, while chemistry comes from the word chemistry. So in this chapter, you will learn about chemistry reaction that produces heat. The first topic is heat change in chemical reaction. 5.1 Endothermic and exothermic reaction. Heat or energy change occurs in most of the chemical reactions. When a chemical reaction occurs, heat is absorbed or released. Heat is absorbed to break the bond in a compound. Conversely, heat is released when the bond is formed. Chemical reactions can be classified into two types: exothermic and endothermic reactions. The chemical reactions are applied in the making of hot and cool packs. Jadi, tajuk bab ini adalah thermochemistry ataupun termokimia, membincangkan tindak balas kimia yang menghasilkan haba. Ada dua jenis tindak balas kimia yang menghasilkan haba, iaitu sama ada haba dibebaskan, heat released, or heat is absorbed, haba diserap. Jadi, dua tindak balas yang melibatkan haba dikenali sebagai exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. For exothermic reaction, heat is released to the surroundings. When this reaction occurs, the reactant will lose heat to the surroundings. Since heat is released from the reactant to the surrounding temperature is raised. The contents in the container become hot. As a result, the container also feels hot when touched or shows a higher temperature when measured with a thermometer. The total energy content of the product is less than the energy content of the reactants. So we have three examples here. Burning of paper, reaction between sodium and water, explosion of bomb. Jadi untuk tindak balas ini, exothermic, di mana haba dibebaskan dalam tindak balas, suhu tindak balas akan meningkat menyebabkan apabila kita uji dengan termometer, bacaan suhu meningkat. Jadi dalam tindak balas exothermic juga, jumlah tenaga bagi hasil adalah rendah daripada jumlah tenaga daripada produk. Tindak balas yang kedua ialah endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction, a reaction that absorbs heat from the surroundings. When this reaction occurs, the reactant will gain heat from the surroundings. Since heat is absorbed by the reactant from the surrounding temperature is lowered. The contents in the container become cool. As a result, the container also feels cool when touched or shows a lower temperature when measured with a thermometer. The total energy content of the product is more than the total energy content of the reactant. For examples of endothermic reactions are photosynthesis, baking cakes, dissolving ammonium nitrate powder in water. Jadi tindak balas yang kedua adalah endothermic, di mana ia menyerap haba, menyebabkan suhunya berkurang dan tindak balasnya terasa sejuk. Jadi contoh tindak balasnya adalah fotosintesis dan juga tindak balas penguraian garam amonium nitrat. Jumlah haba bahan tindak balas adalah kurang daripada jumlah hasil tindak balas. Sekian, terima kasih.